Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome to my new video. Today I just wanna make a short and simple video of how I'm walking outside my apartment where I live. Today is a nice and fresh day. It's not really hot, it's just like 20 degrees outside. It's really fresh and windy outside, so you can walk and feel yourself really nice. I just want to show you my place where I live and where I like to walk every time for taking my rest. And I want to make an attention that look, absolutely no people here. All the time what I walk about 15 minutes, I didn't saw any peoples. I didn't see any peoples. I'm alone here walking all the time. And look how many trees here. How many trees and grass. And it's not a forest. It's the center. It's center of the Moscow. But in this place, a lot of trees, like in the forest. And a lot of simple small houses here. And this is one of my favorite place. Look how it's beautiful. It feels like you really go outside from the city to the deep nature, really far away from the city, and you're walking here, like deep in the jungle, deep in the forest. Oh, kitties. Here I found kitties. Cats in the grass and little kitties. When I try to make a closer look, they directly run away from me. Only one big cat stay here, and she's look like she wanna attack me. Oh, first people here, first person. Yeah, she look at me like crazy. Maybe she really wanna attack me and she protect her small kittens. But okay, I just walk next. If you see here on the right side, it's on the right side. It's a Central Street Park here, but it's still didn't unfinished. It's still continue building, so you can walk there. another forest, but this place is look really dark. And look at this giant tree. It's really big giant tree in the center of the city. It feels like a real forest. Oh my god, yeah. Just still walking, just continue walking. It's simple place, nothing special here, just forest everywhere, trees and simple small houses. But you are absolutely alone here. It's really silent here, and no one else, only you. Kindergarten playground. Playground for kids. Yeah, looks really nice. If I were a kid, I will stay there all day long. Looks really nice. And soon it will be the end of this place with a lot of trees. We will go to the road, and in front of the road we will see a giant, look, it's a big giant power plant in the end of this road. Soon you will see more clear. Yeah, just take a look. Maybe it's not looks real big in movie, in video, but in real life, believe me, it's a really big station. Yeah. And this is the road to return back to my home, and how it's my district where I live look like. And now I just need to move forward on this road, and in the end of the road finally I will return to my home. It was not really long walk, just only about 15 minutes, but I really want to return home because the wind is crazy. It become really cold. My ears feeling pain because it's cold and windy. And look at the sky is dark and gray. Maybe it will be really crazy rain soon, so I decide to return to my home really fast.